Welcome to our YouTube channel, Aisha Prathamas YouTube channel. This is Aisha. Today I am going to say one story named The Monkey's Justice. Let's start. It was the aftermath of a big festival. Two cats are prowling together. One of the cats saw a big cake and meowed. The other jumped up and picked it. The first cat said, "Give me the cake. It is I who saw it first." The second cat said, "Keep away from it. It is I who picked it up." They were fighting and fighting, but there was no solution. Just then a monkey passed by. He thought, "What a foolish cat they must be. Let me make use of this time." He came to the cats and said in loud voice,